road instead of fresh one to Supercharger, Utica, New York. About 10 miles away, 15 minutes. You'll arrive with around 26% battery. Turn-by-turns are up now.
Alright, only one problem though, is I cannot go in the direction you just routed me.
No problem. Cleared the route. Closest alternative is Supercharger, Verona, New York. 22 miles away with 8 stalls open. Which one do you want?
I want to go to the Utica Supercharger, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to U-turn right now. I'm going to just turn around real quick.
Route reset to Supercharger, Utica, New York. Now 12 miles, 19 minutes with your U-turn. Safe travels around that wreck.
Thank you, Grok. All right, I see you got it. Perfect.
You're welcome. Drive safe and charge up quick with that 72 miles left. Holler if you need anything else.
All right, man. Thank you.
Anytime, man. Safe drive.